IHSS webpage.
In-Home Supportive Services is the largest publicly funded non-medical service to help people with disabilities remain in their homes.
People with disabilities receive home services.
Applying to the program can be daunting.
Webpage, County IHSS office.
To start the application process, contact the IHSS program in your county.
County representative.
A representative will gather information about your income, disability, and what services you may need.
Some people need a service called protective supervision. This is an IHSS service for people with cognitive or mental health disabilities in need of 24-hour observation and monitoring to protect them from injuries, hazards, or accidents.
County representative.
Make sure you tell the representative from IHSS that you want protective supervision for your family member if you think they need the service.
Form SOC 821.
The county will give you a form called SOC 821, also referred to as Assessment of Need for Protective Supervision for In-Home Supportive Services Program. The doctor will need to fill out this form. Explain to the physician that your family member needs constant supervision to keep him or her safe.
Person with a disability with family member.
Describe that your family member's memory, orientation, and judgment are impaired and how it affects his or her life.
Disability Rights California webpage.
It is helpful to provide the doctor with a copy of our publication called In-Home Supportive Services Protective Supervision, which is available on our website.
Your family member's doctor should check the boxes on the form indicating whether your family member is severely impaired, moderately impaired, or unimpaired in memory, orientation, or judgment.
Form SOC 821.
The doctor should be as detailed as possible and include specific examples.
If the doctor runs out of space, he or she may attach a letter to the form to continue explaining your condition.
Social worker with client.
Return the form to your social worker and keep a copy for your own records once it is complete. Applying for protective supervision is not a guarantee of services. If your application is denied, request a hearing to appeal the county's decision.
DRC phone number.
Or call Disability Rights California for assistance.